Touchdown. Alvin Harper out of the pack. Touchdown from 34 yards out. Harper got the shot from Aikman.
I think Jimmy Johnson hasn't made one single conservative call today. I thought you try and get the ball, you get out of bounds, you kick a field goal. They think the heck with it. Let's go for the juggler. If you're playing here, take the thing. It's fourth down. The third time in the first half they've gone for the fourth down. Look at this ball up in the air. Number 80, Alvin Harper coming up with it. How can that happen?
Right in the middle of 5 Redskins.
And he caught it clean. Usually those things are tipped or you catch them on a rebound. He caught that thing. It wasn't even tipped.
Willis for the extra point with Novacek holding in. The Cowboys will go into the dressing room at the half, leading 14-7. Harper, 4 seconds left, so they will have to kick it off.
I tell you, that was a beautiful catch. I mean, I don't know that I've seen football like the Cowboys are playing, where you come in and play as aggressively as they have. We've had them go for fourth down on three times. We've had them get an onside kick. They've pulled out all the stops in this first half.
And I haven't seen a catch like that on the Hail Mary, the alley-oop, whatever you call it, since R.C. Owens used to do it.
Well, you know, there was just one a couple of weeks ago. Remember, a couple of Hail Marys, one at the end of the game, and there was one again that went up like that untouched.